Alright, so let's get to it. We're going to be going over some lesser known shortcuts in Excel. So the first one I want to go over is the Autosum shortcut. So if you know Autosum, you know it's just going to automatically sum up everything in the cells above it or to the cells left of it, depending how it is, and they have to be continuous. Once there's a break in between the data, it will only add up, sum up to where the break is. So I'm just going to press Alt equal. So Alt equal sign for this shortcut, and we get the auto sum. Now the next shortcut we're going to use is to get the current time, and to do that we're just going to hit Control Shift and colon, and we get the exact time and date. It is today at this current moment. And to get the today's date, we're just going to hit Control semicolon, and then we'll get the date it is today. So those are a couple shortcuts to deal with time and date. And now we're going to select the whole column. So just select the column that we're in. We're going to hit Control Space, and that selects the column that we already have left clicked in, have a cell highlighted in. And for us to select a row, we're going to hit Shift and Space, and that will select the entire row that we're in. And now to hide a column, we're going to hit Control 0. So that hides the column. And to hide a row, we're going to hit Control 9. And that hides the row. The next shortcut we're going to go over is to add a new line inside of a cell. So maybe we wanted to type in total cells, but we didn't want them to be on the same line, but we wanted them to be in the same cell. So normally if you press enter, it just drops you down to the cell underneath. Unlike maybe Word, if you press enter, it drops down another line. So to do this, it's pretty simple. All we have to do is hit Alt Enter, and then you can see the extra line drops down, and we have multiple lines in the same cell. And lastly, just to show the formulas, all the formulas are on the page, we're just going to hit the Control and tilde sign. And tilde sign is the little squiggly sign that's to the left of the 1 on a lot of keyboards. And then you can see we have all these formulas showing. And if we just hit that again, it just toggles back and forth between it. But those are some of the lesser known shortcuts in Excel. Let me know if there's any ones that you think I missed out on or you would have liked to see in this video.